Okay, I just really got my tire repairing kit right here, lay in front of me. I'm just gonna open and share it with you guys. Now I'm gonna start cutting. Right there. Got it all the way here. And right there. Let's see what's inside. There. Box already broken. As you can see, right there, there's a hole on the side, but everything look like it is. We got small yellow packages came with. I believe it's all screws inside, and we got one manual book, a manual portable tire changer, and that we're gonna read the letter to see how this works. Okay, we got one part sitting down here. Then we got the base. Oh man, that's heavy base. We got a base, and it's all wrapped up. It's all look nice. Looks like everything in there. That's the bar. To what? Where's my knife? I don't know where I put a knife. Anyway, let me get the other one. See? All in there, I believe. But I'll let you guys know what is not there. Alright.